Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people. Any which part of the world you know there. You remember back in the day when we used to name flour dumpling, white flour dumpling, you put little caramel in there and you drop little butter pan top because you know no salting. Yes, some of you might not even know when me say salting, what me mean. Salting and what you had to take for heat the flour. Like maybe you have like a chicken back or you have, like a beef or whatever what you could, what your parents or your grandparents or what you could afford back in the day. Yes, man, but when you don't have no salting, have no fear. You take little butter, man, and you rub it up on your dumpling. See it there? You rub up your butter. And let me tell you, sometimes I not enough butter to, I just in little enough to grace the top. And make I tell you, you see when you cut dumpling, man, hey, and the little butter dip on it. See me fork all drop there. Make I tell you something. Not nice, so. White flour dumpling with little caramel in there. And little butter dip on top. Listen. We come a long way though, Drop a line below, man, and tell me if back in the day you remember naming white flour dumpling with little butter on top. And somewhere would I just eat out with Dutch pot, see there? Me I eat out of me little Dutch pot, yeah, nothing sweet, so. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening, or night, any which part of the world, there. Bless up.